This is Obamacare gone.
Less than 24 hours after the House GOP Obamacare repeal bill finally saw the light of day,
This is the first and most important step to giving relief to Americans from this terrible law.
House and Senate conservatives are already threatening its very existence.
I think the bill as it stands really is dead on arrival. I don't think it's going to ever arrive in the Senate. I think it's dead on arrival in the House.
Bolstered by pressure from outside conservative groups, including this rally from Koch brothers-backed Americans for Prosperity, just a football field away from the Capitol building.
They're going to have the shortest-lived majority in the modern era if they fail to fully repeal Obamacare.
Moderates have long been wary of looming Democratic attacks on how many people the bill will actually cover. Something sources tell CNN the Congressional Budget Office has told GOP leaders will likely fall far short of Obamacare's projections.
Is it your view that the metric of how many people are covered is not the proper way to gauge the success of a health care proposal?
Well, you know, it's interesting because if you go back to what CBO predicted would be covered on the exchanges today, they're only off by about a 2-to-1 ratio. So there were 21 million they projected would be covered, 10 million are actually covered.
Conservatives remain increasingly skeptical of the refundable tax credits that would replace Obamacare's subsidies in providing aid for individuals without employer insurance to purchase plans.
Conservatives across the country aren't going to accept it. It does a couple of things that we find unacceptable. It keeps the Obamacare subsidies, but just renames them as refundable tax credits.
Then there's the restructuring of Medicaid, a hot-button issue across the country given the program's expansion many states took under Obamacare. 4 GOP senators said they will oppose any bill that doesn't protect enrollees in their states.
What we're trying to do is what we pledged we would do, is not pull the rug out from anybody.